What's up, guys? It is Frankie here. It is March 12th, 2021, and the New York Yankees took on the Detroit Tigers in spring training today. The game was not on TV in New York, so for my New York friends, here's a recap of what happened. Another day, another great Yankees starter outing. Today, it was Jameson Taillon in his third appearance of the spring. Taillon went 2 2/3 innings, gave up 2 hits, 3 walks, and 4 strikeouts. On 51 pitches, he had 28 strikes. So far this spring, Taillon has gone 5 2/3, given up no runs, 4 hits, and 9 strikeouts. So far, Taillon has looked very impressive with the Yankees. I do wish his velocity was a little bit better than 95 and that he had better command, as he did have 3 walks today. But this guy hasn't pitched in 2 years. What else was I going to expect? Give this guy some time, and I am sure his stuff will continue to get better. I am becoming more and more sold on this rotation with every day. In the top of the first, Jay Bruce's single beat the shift, getting his batting average to .429. How does this guy not make the team? We keep hearing about how the Yankees need left-handed power. Bruce fits that perfectly. The Yankees didn't score in the first, but did in the second, as the bases were loaded for Tyler Wade, where he did the most Tyler Wade thing imaginable, a sac fly that scored a run. Yankees lead 1-0. Also in the second, right fielder Brett Gardner showed once again why he is so perfect for this team, as he hit a single to center that scored Tuchman to give the Yankees a 2-0 lead. The Tigers finally got on the board in the fifth when Miguel Cabrera scored a sac fly and made it a 2-1 game. And then in the top of the eighth, Rob Brantley continued his campaign for backup catcher as he hit a 2-1 home run to right, his second of spring training, to give the Yankees a 4-1 lead. So the Yankees win this one here today. And as I've been thinking about this spring training so far, I realize I have no major complaints about this team right now. Heading into spring training, I was very pessimistic about this team because of all the years of coming up short in the playoffs. But they're playing really well. Not just on offense, but we knew that. The pitching solid again here today. Jameson Taillon, very good. Considering the guy hasn't pitched in 2 years. Pitching for the most part has been good here. Getting a couple big hits today from Gardner, from Rob Brantley. If you guys have a complaint about this team right now, let me know in the comments. But right now, as long as this team is healthy, there's no reason this team shouldn't be able to win the World Series. They have the talent for it right now, and they're playing well right now. Spring training and the regular season I know are different, but here's hoping that spring training, whatever they're doing right now in spring training, goes all the way into the regular season. That's it for now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care and God bless.